First of all, that's not good. Means it has a full tank. I was wondering why it was toasty in here. And I go down to the AC and it's like that. Well, that's not what I'm here for. I was just with my nanny's house, at my nanny's house. And, well, one of the people there just had a Roomba 805 that they didn't want. So, of course, I have a Roomba 805 now. New addition to the family. Yay. So it works perfectly. It's 105, which checks out schedule. It's already scheduled for 4 o'clock. Works perfectly. You know, classic Roomba 805. This thing is pretty much in new condition, despite how old it is. Works perfectly. Yeah. The only thing is this bin, like, it's kind of, these bins are kind of stuck. I feel like that sometimes. So that's, yeah, I need to empty the water tank. And that condensation tank on the bottom of the unit. Which makes sense, there's a lot of humidity for some reason this time of year. The AC out in the living room is working its butt off. 80 degrees. It's gonna get up to 84 today. But yeah, I've got a Roomba 805. Another unexpected acquisition. Looks like the Wi-Fi's not working because the LG isn't connected. But yeah, there you go. Let me. There we go. I'm gonna get the screenshot.